Our first guest, ladies and gentlemen, she is a commercial model from Milo, and of course, a volleyball student, ladies and gentlemen, and a Jollibee, a childhood friend last 2024, and a Lemon Square student role last 2024, and of course, she have also Still Asia Commercial 2023 and Godel Chocolate 2024. And she also have a TV appearance like Pinoy Crime Stories. She is a lead victim last 2023 and Dapat Alam Mo. Ayan. A game show last 2023. And she also have a movies, mga kasikat, How to Slay a Nepo Baby, Luntian Kid last 2023 and Espantajo. Ayan. Ang kanyang role po is student last 2024. And she also have a short film, Last Game NACC. She is a playmate there, last 2023. And of course, Someone to Watch Over Me. She is a siblings last 2023. And of course, Good Morning Promise. Lead role po siya dito last 2024. And Mother's Day 2024 and Pagtanda. Siya rin po ay isang lead role last 2024. Ladies and gentlemen, a 9 years old from General Trias, Cavite, Eliza Jane Lee. Hi, Eliza!
Hello po!
Ayan, so bagong lahat, bumati ka muna sa ating mga viewers out there. Bati ka muna, girl.
Binabati ko po yung parents ko, si Oma at Apa. Family, Mommy and Daddy, yung mga cousins ko, and tita and tito ko. Friends, teachers, and classmates, at yung dance group ko, The Glams. Gab, Lorraine, and Martina.
Meron pa ba?
Ayun.
Wala na. Alright. Thank you so much, Miss Eliza. Ayan, ang daming binabati ni Miss Eliza.